How to check liked posts on XCOM/Twitter Easy Guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to check your liked posts on X and clear up some confusion around what you can and can't actually see anymore. Here's the important context first. Back in June 2024, X made a big privacy change, hiding likes on other users' posts so that you can now only see which posts you yourself have liked. So if you're trying to check someone else's like history, that's simply no longer possible, but checking your own liked posts is still easy. Let's walk through it. Step 1. On mobile, open the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu, then tap your profile name or view profile to go to your profile page. Step 2. Once you're on your profile page, look for the row of tabs. You'll see Posts, Replies, Media, and Likes. Tap the Likes tab. Step 3. Review your results. All the posts you've liked appear here with the most recent likes shown at the top, and you can scroll down to browse older liked posts. Step 4. On desktop, the process is basically the same. Open your profile and click Likes in the profile navigation to pull up the same list. Step 5. Know what's still possible with other people's content specifically. You can still see who liked a specific individual post as its author, and post authors can still see who liked their own content. But you can no longer browse another user's full public like history the way people used to. Step 6. If you're a post author trying to see who engaged with your content specifically, there's a dedicated path for that. Go to View Activity at the bottom right of your expanded post, then tap the Liked by listing to see who's liked it. And you can even sort that list by top or recent using the arrow icon in the top right. Here's a pro tip. If you're trying to track engagement patterns on your own content over time rather than just checking individual likes, X's built-in analytics section, found in your profile's three-dot menu, gives you a breakdown of your impressions, engagement rates, and like counts for every post, which is a far more useful habit to build now that browsing other people's public likes isn't an option anymore. So that's exactly how to check your liked posts on X in 2026, along with what's changed since the platform's privacy update. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more social media guides, and let me know in the comments, did you know likes had gone private?